Hello friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and classy collection of hand embroidery designs for sleeves. As you could see that all of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery are specifically designed for sleeves, for designing, decorating and enhancing the beauty of your sleeves. So if you want to wear peplum, short shirt, t-shirt, blended shirt, or kalidar, blouse, or a full length shirt, or different type of kameez or kurti, you can design your sleeves with the help of very beautiful and creative patterns of embroidery as shown onto your screens. The entire collection is very pretty and easy to make. You can also embroider these patterns of very beautiful embroidery onto your boho style shirts, onto your jalebias, or onto the sleeves of your abayas as well. So the broad perspective and usage of these beautiful embroidery patterns will make you go crazy for trying out these patterns. And in the comment section, do comment below that which design you like the most and why. And do let us know that what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos, guys. And guys, one more simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can also subscribe from as many as other devices so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. And with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish, and beautiful trendy patterns of embroidery on our beautiful efforts to the fullest. We try our best to share with you on daily basis beautiful and creative ideas and patterns of hand embroidery, handwork, thread work, and different type of DIY items that are related to dress designing. So stay tuned and stay blessed for the new upcoming videos. Until then, take care.